Most times, people are usually worried about being overweight, being skinny, or even not having tone muscles like they want. However, just as easy as it is to miss out on these goals, there's an easy way to get them back pretty fast. And that way is through strength training exercises. Strength or resistance training is a type of exercise that uses opposing force to make the muscle stronger. And the best part of it is that you don't always need weights or any equipment to practice them, as your body can simply be used as the resistance. In today's video, we'll be taking you through 10 of the best strength training exercises to help you build strength and also feel confident. Do stay tuned and enjoy. Number 1. Push-ups. Despite being known to primarily be an exercise that works well for the upper body, push-ups do pretty well to engage muscles beyond your upper body. Push-ups target areas such as the chest, shoulders, and tricep muscles. And as a bonus, they also engage the core and improve the leg muscles for stability. Push-ups are also pretty ideal as they ensure that you build stronger muscles all over while also having great health benefits for you. While you can surely do the traditional push-ups, there are several push-up variations you can try. And among them are the one-hand push-ups that require pushing with one hand, clap push-ups that involves clapping both hands as you lift off during the push-up, and the stagger plyo push-ups that involve switching position of your hands after every push-up. Number 2. Deadlifts. Deadlifts indirectly trains you on how to lift things without hurting your back. The exercise targets the muscles in your glutes, hamstring, core, thighs, and your lower back. To add to that, deadlifts are well known for building muscle mass, with the exercise being desirable for bodybuilders or those who want to prevent muscle loss due to aging. It can also boost your metabolism to help you burn calories faster if you're looking forward to losing weight. And to quite wrap up the important benefits of deadlifts, they're also known to help improve general body fitness to help you go about your daily activities without any problems at all. While there are several variations for the exercise, the trap bar and Romanian variations of the exercise are among the 2 best options to choose from. Number 3. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are another great exercise that primarily targets your back muscles and biceps. And for this, your body weight is used as resistance. While pull-ups are known to primarily target the large muscles behind your arms, they don't stop there, as they're also known to work most of your upper chest, upper back, and upper muscles. With proper form, they can also ensure that you develop toned abs while engaging your core. To do it, all you need to do is grasp a bar overhead and pull your body up the bar using the strength in your upper body. If this looks too difficult for you, then you can start by using an assistant pull-up machine or a resistance band to help you before you build up enough strength to do it without assistance. Number 4. Squats. Squats are a pretty popular exercise that targets the lower body, glutes, hip muscles, calves, hamstrings, and obliques. And as they're pretty known to be a very great lower body exercise, they can help in improving posture. To add to this, they're also quite a quality option if you're looking to burn calories for weight loss. Squats can also lower your chances of getting injured in your lower body, especially if you're the type that does a lot of leg work during your daily activities. Squats strengthen your tendons, bones, and ligaments, and all-around leg muscles, therefore allowing you to keep your knees and legs stable. To add some extra resistance to your squats, you can choose to spice it up by adding dumbbells or a barbell or resistance bands. Number 5. Glute Bridge. Just as the name suggests, glute bridge is an exercise that targets the glutes, particularly the gluteus maximus. Sitting down for long hours throughout the day can have a huge effect on your fitness because this weakens your glutes and also increases your chances of having back pain. However, glute bridge is the perfect remedy, as it not only helps to reduce back pain, but also improves hip mobility. During this exercise, your glutes, which are the muscles in your butt area, should be what you feel the most. If your hamstrings are what seems to be working the most, ensure you move your feet back and closer to your glutes. The main target is your glutes, and you should also squeeze them as tightly as you can during this exercise. If you've not already done so, please subscribe to the channel for more exercise tips to build your confidence. Number 6. Walking lunges. Like squats, walking lunges are another exercise that targets your lower body. The exercise also targets your hamstring, glutes, and calves, making sure you're feeling the exercise from your abdominals through your lower back. Walking lunges also improve stability and general strength and can be modified by adding dumbbells, kettlebells, or a barbell to offer more resistance. 7. Planks. Planks are an overall core exercise that targets both muscles in your upper body and those in your lower body as well. It doesn't require any equipment like most of the other options on this list. and it even comes with a range of other variations. However, the standard plank is an absolutely fine exercise to add to your routine, and you can start out with it by holding the position for as little as 1 minute before then moving on to variations of the exercise later on as you build strength. Number 8. Biceps curls. The biceps represent one of the easiest areas to get results pretty fast, and this is one reason why it could also boost confidence. Bicep curls are primarily for the upper body, specifically targeting the muscles on the front side of your arm. They come in several variations, which include using dumbbells, kettlebells, barbells, or resistance bands. And even quite interestingly, you can start off with something as small as a water bottle if you don't have access to any of these equipment. Number 9. Overhead tricep extension. Both your biceps and triceps are important muscles in the body, and while building muscles in your biceps can help you build strength in your upper arm, doing the same for your triceps helps to reduce sagging in the arms when you get older. It also helps the strength gained in your arm. The overhead tricep extension helps to target the triceps pretty well, and it can be done with either a dumbbells or kettlebell or even a water bottle, if that's the option you have. During the exercise, ensure that you're primarily working and feeling the burn in your triceps, and you can do that by keeping your arms pulled in as close to your head as possible. Number 10. Boat pose. The boat pose helps to build abdominal and core strength, and it actually is one of the best in this category. It can also help you to work your deep hip flexors that might become weak as a result of too much sitting. During the exercise, focus on keeping a tight V between your thighs and torso before you then worry about keeping your legs straight. Also make sure to keep breathing throughout the exercise. While these strength training exercises do well to suggest the exact reason for them, which is to build strength in areas all over your body, they can also help to build confidence, especially since the target areas and goals are usually achievable pretty early. Do not forget to rest well and also take your time. Don't force it, and also eat right. Which exercise do you think is the toughest? Let us know in the comment section. If you also enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, then you should also check out Top 5 Foods for Building Muscle.